Hey guys, look at this car. Look at this car. This is a BMW. This is a V6, but it's loud. This is loud. Now I have the keys. Y'all, in a moment, I'm gonna do it. Okay? Y'all wanna see the engine? Wait, I mean, is it open? Oh yeah, it's open. It's open. You do this. Yeah, done. Now I'm gonna do this. Oh gosh, wait. Oh my gosh, I can't. Bro, this is hard. Wait, guys. Ow! What the heck? I open it's like I can't. Oh my god! Wait. I open it. Look at this. Well, it just look like a V8, but it's a V6. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the sixth one is down there. I can't see it. It's dark down there. No, not down there. There, like, but it's just, yeah. This is.